www-swmm analysis toolbox. The analysis toolbox allows the user to create their own analysis window. Click the analysis toolbox from the toolbar. This brings up a list of all of the toolboxes that we have. We'll start with the blank one. Okay. In the toolbox, we can add text boxes, rich text boxes, tables, and charts. We're just going to add a simple text box here, and we're going to place information into that text box by selecting a function and clicking the refresh button. We could also put that information into a table. As many of these controls as you would like or need can be added to the toolbox. The controls can be resized, they can be moved around, and the entire area can be moved around. Okay, notice that the navigation screen over here allows us to quickly move to anywhere within our toolbox area. Okay, we can add charts, and we'll do a flow frequency chart. And we may need another chart. By pressing the control key, you can actually add multiple charts or objects at the same time. For this chart, we'll do annual peaks. For this chart, we'll do a flow frequency. Let's see, we already have a flow frequency. We'll do a hydrograph of these, and we want it to be monthly. Okay, and this one we'll do a duration chart. Okay, once the charts controls have been updated, we can close this and notice that it's been saved. We can reopen it with all of the previous information in it. Each of the controls remembers its function settings. By clicking the refresh all of the controls information will be refreshed. So if the model information had been changed and the model rerun, it would update all of these controls in the analysis toolbox. And again, you can move around very quickly using the navigation panel. You can add virtually an unlimited number of controls, so depending on the type of analysis that you're doing. This concludes our quick demonstration of the analysis toolbox.